I'm Rob Menzies and welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading off to Donington Racetrack for the first track day of the year for me for the year of 2021. As any of my followers will know, every time I've been going on track for the last few years I've been using small boys track hire bikes and doing exactly the same again today on their Kawasaki 636. So here we are at Donington Racetrack today. As you can see, everyone else is priming and prepping and getting set up. However, for me, I can go and leisurely check in. So, now that we are here, we've gone and checked in. What we need to now do is go and find the bike that we're going to be on today. And look at this, opening up for me just as I arrive. So we can go in and have a bit of a look at all of the bikes from small boys. How's that for a lineup? So get to pick and choose on which one I want. By the looks of things, I'm going to be going for the one down the end, and we're going to come in, we're going to get the GoPro mount on the bike, and the back seat's being taken off for me so we can put on the we're going to put on the strap that I use for the airbag vest. So we're going to get all that sorted and get ready, get in my leathers and get ready to go. Hey, so this is the fifth session. We're just getting into the analytics here. As we can see on this round, best lap that I was able to do here was a 1 minute 51, worst lap being a 1:55. So diving into the analytics, again, as we look at these, we have both speed, power and lean angle that we've got on the metrics. Left hand side here on the white, the fastest lap. Right hand side here is the red, which is the slower lap. So the bit that's really interesting when we start looking at these analytics is how amazingly close they actually track. So as we're flying through this lap, looking at both speed and power and lean angle, for certainly the first half of this lap, we are literally millimetre perfect, pretty much. It's nearly absolutely identical. Very clear to see with the pictures on the right hand side up here the reason why it started to go wrong, and it wasn't that I actually did anything wrong, it was just that I came across a bit of traffic. So as you can see here, obviously impacted me from halfway through the lap. As I'm flowing through the corners, we can see that it had a real impact on the red lap, and I didn't really get as impacted on the white lap, although funnily enough I did have some traffic then as well. That seemed to really impact me the whole way through the second half of the lap, and really we then see that following all the way through, and that is basically the 4-second difference that I suffered on this lap. Anyway, moving on now, what I'm now going to do is show you the fastest lap with the analytics on screen, and then we'll move on and show you the full section. Enjoy!
hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please remember to not only like the video but also hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos like this in the future. Thanks again for watching, and see you again soon.